Hello guys, good afternoon. Currently doing a 10-kilometer run. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Idea is nothing. Execution is everything. Let's go! Hello guys! Good afternoon! Quick share lang. Kanina, habang nag-drive ako, nakita ko yung t-shirt nung nakamotor sa daan. Halagay. Chances we take. Choices we make. Ano pa isa ba yan? We are okay to have mistakes in life. Again, hindi naman perfect ang buhay eh. Pero kailangan nating mamili kung ano yung mga mabuti natin gagawin. And the next time na magkamali tayo, another chances na naman. Kaya better to choose good decisions in life para in the near future we meet our goals and our life will be better. Diba? Yan lang. Let's go! Let's go! Kaya lang 30 years in my life, alam mo yun, duman tayo sa part ng buhay natin na okay lang yan. But again, sa panahon ngayon, mahirap magkasakit. We need to be healthy. We need to eat healthy, exercise, work hard, and push yourself to the limit. Kapag nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo minsan, alam mo yun, yung dapat mo pang kayang gawin, hindi mo na-execute. Kaya, go lang, tuloy lang, huwag mo pakinggan yung sinasabi ng iba. Kasi, sabi nga doon sa napanood ko, hindi ibig sabihin na parehas yung minuto mo sa minuto ng iba. Hindi mo siya mapapansin ngayon, pero in the future, makikita mo yung pagkakaiba nila. Kaya, keep going, aim high, feet on the ground. Let's go!